Imagine a vaccine that trains your immune system not just to fight cancer, but to prevent it before it starts. Imagine a tiny army of engineered cells that hunts down ovarian tumors so early they never become a crisis. If that sounds like sci-fi, stick with me for the next 2 minutes. I'll show you why investors are suddenly noticing a small biotech with big ideas and why the next headlines could reshape cancer medicine. In the next 120 seconds, you'll learn 3 things. 1. The breakthrough science that makes prevention possible. 2. How new partnerships and patents are turning research into real clinical progress. And 3. Why the market thinks this story is only getting started. Don't blink, some of the most powerful moves happen while you're still watching. This company is a clinical stage biotech focused on vaccines and engineered cell therapies aimed at hard-to-treat cancers. Rather than chasing incremental tweaks, the team is building programs that work before tumors take hold and combining traditional immunology with next-gen approaches like engineered T cells. That blend, prevention and precision, cellular therapy, is rare and why analysts and traders have taken notice. Here's the simple idea. Certain proteins that appear only during specific life stages, like lactation, can become retired targets once those life stages end. If a vaccine primes the immune system to recognize those proteins when they reappear abnormally in a tumor, you can teach the body to eliminate cancerous cells before a tumor forms. On the cell therapy side, researchers are engineering T cells with novel receptor constructs to home in on tumor biology that standard CAR T approaches don't target. Combine prevention and precision targeting, and you get a product set with 2 chances to win: vaccines for prevention and engineered cells for active treatment. Now add artificial intelligence. AI accelerates antigen selection, patient stratification, and vaccine personalization. A recent strategic move with an AI company focused on personalized peptide design means faster identification of the most promising vaccine targets and a quicker path from lab to clinic. Pair AI's pattern recognition with clinical data and you speed up how fast a therapy reaches the patients who need it most. And that speed is very attractive to investors. Investors aren't buying science alone. They buy progress and de-risking events, patents, data transfers that consolidate control of trials, clinical milestone updates, and partnerships that scale manufacturing or AI design. Each of those events turns an abstract pipeline into concrete value, and that's what moves a small-cap biotech stock. In the last year, 3 concrete developments have helped validate the strategy: patent expansions for vaccine IP in major markets, a data transfer agreement that brings Phase 1 data in-house, enabling them to sponsor the IND and run the next trial themselves, and a collaboration letter of intent with an AI biotech partner aimed at personalized peptide vaccines. Those moves reduce regulatory and execution risk and make future licensing or partnership deals more likely. Us all positive signals for the stock market taken together. Stronger IP protection, in-house control of clinical data, and AI-enabled personalization give this company a clearer path from small trials to larger Phase 2-3 programs and potential partnerships with big pharmas. That road demonstrated immune responses, expanded patent estates, and AI-driven patient selection is precisely the set of milestones that can push a small cap into a much higher valuation if trial readouts are positive. Specific collaborations have real teeth. The vaccine programs are being developed in collaboration with a major academic medical center known for translational research, and the engineered cell therapy program is advancing with clinical site expertise at a nationally recognized cancer center. These partnerships bring trial infrastructure, clinical know-how, and credibility, all crucial when you move from proof of concept to treating patients. On the IP front, patent wins in key jurisdictions strengthen exclusivity for vaccine platforms focused on so-called retired proteins. That limits competition and enhances licensing leverage. On clinical data, completed Phase 1, enrollment with encouraging immune responses is the kind of technical validation that institutional partners and larger drug companies watch closely. Up until now, I've Describe the strategy, science, and partnerships without naming the company. Here's the reveal. This company is Anixa Biosciences, Incane, and the stock. Price you provided for this session is $4.79. After 1 minute into this video, the price is shown as $4.79. Anixa's recent moves, entering a letter of intent with Verdi, solutions for AI-guided personalized peptide vaccines, executing a data transfer agreement with Cleveland Clinic to assume IND, sponsorship for a breast cancer vaccine program, and receiving patent issuances. Expanding protection are the exact catalysts investors cite when they bid up the shares. These collaborations, Verdi for AI guidance, Cleveland Clinic for vaccine trials, Moffitt Cancer Center for the ovarian CAR-T work, add credibility and pipeline momentum that the market rewards small. Biotech stocks often move on binary events, positive trial readouts, new patents, or meaningful partnerships. For Anixa, upcoming Phase 1-2 readouts, expanded patents.